Did you know that non-basmati rice isn't just one type of grain, but a whole family of them? From the fragrant sonamasuri to the robust red mata, these grains offer a diverse palette of textures and flavors. Grown predominantly in the fertile soils of India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan, non-basmati rice is a rich source of fiber, protein, and essential minerals. In the kitchen, the versatility of non-basmati rice shines. It's the star ingredient in delectable dishes like the spicy biryani, the comforting pulao, and even the sweet pudding that wraps up a hearty meal. While basmati may be the popular choice, non-basmati rice holds its own with its nutritional benefits and culinary range. With lower glycemic index values, it's a healthier choice for those watching their blood sugar levels. So, next time you're shopping for rice, consider the humble non-basmati grain. You might be pleasantly surprised. And remember, for more food facts and cooking tips, don't forget to subscribe. Stay curious, stay hungry.